Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you production planning and control in the subject of dairy plant management. In our previous session, I taught you all about the introduction of production planning and control. Now, today's topic is functions, importance, needs, and significance, and what are the advantages of the production planning and control. Now let's start the topic. The first function or importance is it utilizes resource effectively. Of course, if something is done by the planning, then all the resources will be properly used and it utilizes all the resources effectively. Second is makes flow of production steady. If we are doing something with proper planning, then it will of course make a flow of production steady and estimates production resources. Of course, if we are planned something, then we have some brief idea about how much resources are required for the production. Then maintains necessary stock levels and coordinates departmental activities. It will basically coordinate the activities between the two different departments, and then minimizes wastage of resources, improves labor efficiency because everything is properly planned and controlled, then help to face competition and provides better work environment, and it facilitates quality improvement, and it will satisfy the customers and reduces production cost because all things are in proper planning. If some raw material is present at low or at cheaper rate in the market, then the producer will buy it in a cheaper rate and then process it and make its product, and it will lead to less production cost. Then benefits of production planning and control. Production planning and control can facilitate for dairy industry entrepreneur in the following ways. First is optimum utilization of the capacity. With the help of production planning and control, the entrepreneur can schedule his tasks in production runs and thereby ensure that his productive capacity does not remain idle and there is no undue queuing up of tasks via proper allocation of tasks to the production facilities. No order goes neglected and no machine remains idle. Then inventory control. Proper production planning and control will help the entrepreneur to resort to just-in-time system and thereby reduce the overall inventory. It will enable him to ensure that the right supplies are available at the right time. Third one is the economy in production time. Production planning and control will help the entrepreneur to reduce the cycle time and increase the turnover via proper scheduling. Then fourth is ensure quality. A good production planning control will provide for adherence to the quality standards so that quality of output is ensured. To sum up, we may say that production planning and control is of immense value to the entrepreneur in capacity utilization and inventory control. More importantly, it improves his response time and quality. As such, effective production planning and control contributes to the time, quality, and cost parameters of entrepreneurial success. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box and I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this